Any honest financial planner will tell you that saving money is far more crucial than picking the hot stock to become wealthy. But I say you will become rich if you do this for 1 month. Do you wonder what can quickly take you to the milestones people wish to reach? Or is there any shortcut to it? Let's find out. Having said that, you should not rely on the horoscope solely to get rich. Continue putting in the required efforts and take the right decisions at the right time. Eventually, you will get the results. Everyone wishes to become wealthy overnight, but the sad reality is that only a few people are born with the luck to live like kings. So if you truly want to learn how to become rich overnight or how to become richer faster, you have to come to the right place. The first misconception that shows up is that saving 3% isn't how you become wealthy. You must treat your savings as your taxes. Savings are for a rainy day, but many times they vanish before the day arrives. Whether it's your EMI, immediate family expenses, or small dinner expenses, the first thing that comes to mind when you run out of money is to dip into your savings. Because bad debts are always present. Draining your savings only adds to your financial burdens. So think of your savings as taxes. Once paid, such as taxes, you cannot recover them. Therefore, you should place your savings in an account you cannot access. Forget about the money you're saving and try to keep your bad debts from draining your savings. The next tip to help you with the matter is creating your game plan. It can be the perfect way to determine where you stand financially. Developing a financial game plan entails developing a better timeline and a balanced budget. A balanced budget is a financial plan that includes all of your anticipated expenses and savings. It regulates your income and provides the most effective way to limit spending. Timelines, on the other hand, allow you to keep track of your finances. It provides effective methods for balancing the money flow based on their respective timings. You should be perfect on both of these fronts if you want to improve your financial situation and grow your wealth. So without wasting time, develop your game plan. Make sure you make a long-term plan and stick to it. If things seem under control, you're just not going fast enough. A quote by Mario Andretti can also be the key to reaching where you wish. If you ask rich people how to get rich quickly, they will only tell you there is no money without taking risks. As a result, take chances and put your money into the fund and assets that appear to be profitable. Take the risk and invest your funds even if you believe it is risky, but helps you grow your wealth faster. Step outside your comfort zone and recognize that the path to financial success is fraught with uncertainty and risk. The traditional ways of doing jobs and saving money are safer, but taking calculated risks can actually increase your bank balance. So embrace the financial possibilities and don't be afraid to make risky decisions. The unbreakable mantras to becoming rich are composed of 5 facts that are too real to believe. Never stop dreaming, never stop believing, never give up, never stop trying, and never stop learning. This is the foremost tip on how to become rich faster. Learning new skills and sharpening your talents are the first steps towards earning money and building wealth. You can easily find new financial opportunities and generate wealth. If you are skilled and have the ability to learn quickly and use your talents, people who are educated and knowledgeable are more likely to become wealthy sooner than those who are not. So learn from people who you believe can inspire you. Study wealthy people and do what they do to increase their income and wealth. Now it's time to wrap this up with a quote. We learn from failure, not from success, so keep hustling.
People love to see successful stories, but most of the success stories, they succeed because of the mistakes. I encouraging all the young people, entrepreneurs, to learn from the mistakes. Do not study successful stories. Successful stories in the Harvard Business School, normally, there are a lot of things behind you don't know.
And with that note, we're ending this video. Give it a thumbs up if you found it informative. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.